let Governor Soludo arrest me, arrest Mazibia, arrest Mathias, arrest what do you call it? Mmirienweilo. All of us come and heal sick people. Anybody that have a new leg or has spiritual sickness, Mathias should kill the person. Have nothing in this way you're mentioning. So the Mathias should be arrested. Bring your doctor. You must come and cure people that have spiritual sickness. Mathias Ezeaku, this is how you're gonna go. I'm coming. Mathias Ezeaku. Nobody crippled they die. People that die your NGO are they crippled. Are they crippled? No, are they blind? No, they are having spiritual sickness. I enable bego. You get one nonsense hospital. We enable bego. After trying to go billion it here now so can after trying to go. If you not go, Jesus cannot heal. Jesus cannot do ego. We know all your tricks. And this time I'm about for you about those your doctors. You about those your doctors. They will come to hospital. That knows one that's we don't know what is wrong with them. You come and your doctor will come and heal them. That is the challenge. Mazibia, he can pastor in Agoya. Come. Also go 24th. Mmirienweilo, bring your salary. Uno boss up. No. Uno boss up. No. Quick for Naka. I want to the last challenge. If you like, get all the whole kidnappers, get all the whole threat. I know number. I get mayor. Accept Soludo, no get chance. Accept Soludo, say no get chance. But as long as Soludo is accepted, he will come. He wants to give me a date. That date. I am coming to heal people that have spiritual sickness. No. Doctors know where how about how nduna ya HIV, nduna ya cancer, nduna ya tumor, nduna ya fibroid, nduna ya waist pain, spiritual sickness, and I diagnose a kidney problem. Those are the people I are coming to pray for. Now, I know people like Mathias, Mazibia, Mmirienweilo, we pushing a narrative to look like God is not working. People that bomb sick, how many bomb Brian, how many people have died? More than do Brian will go to your family. More than the crippled will go to your family. We are talking about the millions of people who dies, which I healed. I've healed medical doctor from America. I healed medical doctor from Canada, from UK, from Germany, from Japan, from different countries. So you know, not go fake on they use all those narratives, say cripple or no cripple, blind or no blind. No, I am coming from fake native doctor, fake DBS and fake pastors to threaten me so I will not come. Oga, I better go here. He can't stop me. You're too small. So, but you that make this call, they will invite you in state CID. They already want to save you if you're working with my governor. If you're not working with my governor, anywhere you like a hide, they will do for you. This number, threaten me, claiming to be Uchemafo, working with Governor Soludo, that if I come for a number, they will arrest me. I'm more coming to that number. I'm from Anambra. I'm not. I am the Anambra Regional Prophet. So 24 to 31st July, I'll be there. Except Soludo does not pick the date. If Soludo do not have time for that date, we shift it to another date. And because Soludo must be there in question to show us the hospital that I'm going to pray for people. So we're praying for sick people because millions of people die every day. Mathias carry Odinaka to India, he died. Is he blind? No. Is he crippled? No. We're talking about people that have spiritual sickness that died every day by which caught it than by marine kingdom. If Mathias can spend millions, go to India, Odinaka die, that means there's sickness, hospital cannot cure. If hospital can cure it, Mathias says actually he must arrest that boy to back. He must use those doctors to bring that boy to life because this is your narrative. This is your group, Mapia owners. The email nonsense, even for this nonsense. Governor Anambra State will arrest you in Anambra State because this is your narrative. This is Ndotu. Because that's what people that come claiming, forging, doing kidnapping, doing evil. I'm calling the number to be record. Let the number be on record. If you use my phone, it should allow me to contact Anambra State, not calling me, telling me that you arrest me. Arrest me for what? You put a challenge. I'm coming. Are you the one that are you Soludo? Soludo called to the challenge. So the reason I'm calling this team, in case of anything happen, he has to be arrested. So, but we're taking the number to, by next week, we'll go to Bantia and register this number. Because I'm trying to put that number on WhatsApp. I told him already that I'm going to call you on video, WhatsApp video. He refused. I've checked WhatsApp video, it's not registered. So I'm making this thing. I'm going to call him after calling this number. If you're a mafia, we have been into this thing. This is your nonsense game. We know all your tricks. To look like God that cannot heal. To look like Omena is the way. You people are the one that destroy Anambra State. And all of you that are doing this thing, hand will soon touch you.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah?
I'm calling you to let you know that your number is on the... I'll put your number in my live video. Because you say work with Anambra State government. You say you're Wishamafo. And this number will go to State CID tomorrow. So, when I come to Anambra State, because I'm trying to call you on video call now, you refuse, your number is not connecting. So, you can't threaten me. So, for that threat you have threatened me, State CID will call you. If you're working with Anambra State, no problem, fine. But if you're one of those fake people who are threatening people, they will invite you to state CID. Thank you. That's what I want to let you know. See your number. That is the number there. This challenge, we must do it. Okay? This idiot is not Uchemafo. There are many numbers calling me. But tomorrow, they will call you from state, Monday, this week, they will call you from state CID. So only what will save you, if you trace you're working with Anambra State, if you Uchemafo, that means you're using them of people. Uchemafo to defraud people and to be harassing people. That's me. If anything happens, they will say Uchemafo. So Uchemafo need to have this number. That's why I'm making this video. So make sure this video get to Uchemafo. Make sure this video get to Soludo. And make sure this video get to the housing, Anambra State. And tomorrow we're taking this number, this phone number to state CID. I am too big for you to come and threaten. Iga boss on Anambra State. And if we caught you, anybody that is sponsoring you to do this, to put fear, so we'll not come and prove the miracle. When anybody that is involved, all of you go into prison. That miracle, mark the date, the 24th. Page I've been under 5 years. My first page before was hacked by Ebuko Bidem, Zion. But that one is that yesterday on was hacked by those people in Anambra State because they don't want people to know that God can do miracle. I said, I'm coming to heal sick. People that died in your family, are they blind? No. People that died in your family, are they crippled? No. Ndo nungu na family ga akpuru isi mba ndo na family akụrụngwọrọ ba ke yegburu ha ọnwụ Mathias gbọrọ ọdịnaka ga India dịbe ọkpuru isi mba ọkụrụngwọrọ mba ọgwụtara ya mba ọnwụrụ. So we are talking about millions of people that dies every day by which they are not blind people. We are talking about people that go to hospital, they diagnose them, they cannot find anything and they still die. My brother, 3 of my brother died under influence of witchcraft. My mother died under witchcraft. My sister died because I told them they will not be, because this nonsense people are pushing narrative that God cannot heal. Many people are dying every day. Many people are going to men and are dying. Do you know how many people are arresting every day? Do you know how many people they kill every day? Come, let Governor Soludo arrest me, arrest Mas Libya, arrest Mathias, arrest what do you call it? Mmirienweilo. All of us come and heal sick people. Anybody that have a new leg or has spiritual sickness, Mathias should kill the person. Not in this way you're mentioning, Soludo go and close. Soludo, Mathias should be arrested. Bring your doctor. You must come and cure people that have spiritual sickness. Mathias Ezeaku, this is our situation. I'm coming. Mathias Ezeaku. Nobody crippled, they die. People that die your NGO, are they crippled? Are they crippled? No, are they blind? No, they're having spiritual sickness. And you need to you get one nonsense hospital. We need to go. After go billion, it's here now. After ego, if you call it, Jesus cannot heal. Jesus cannot do ego. We know all your tricks, and this time I'm about to you have those your doctors. You have those your doctors. They will come to hospital. That diagnose one that's we don't know what is wrong with them. You come and your doctor will come and heal them. That is the challenge. Mazidibia, he can pastor in a boya. Come, also go 24th. Mmirienweilo, bring your salary. Uno boss, no. Quick for Naka. I will not cover the last challenge. If you like, get all the whole kidnappers. Get all the whole threat. I know Nanambara. I get mayor. Accept Soludo, no get chance. Accept Soludo, say no get chance. But as long as Soludo is accepted, he will come. He wants to give me a date. That date. My woman, China. Boss. That narrative you are pushing. Hey, that no person can hear. No person can talk to about okay. But have you medical doctor from America? Have you medical doctor from UK? Have you medical doctor from Germany? Have you millions of people from HIV, from cancer, from kidney problem? Get them. Get them, each person, 100. Get 100 person that have kidney problem, 100. All of them, before I pray for you, you must make sure you have your doctor's report. You will tell your doctor's report, because I don't want to pray for, because now you can go and bring people, your own people, when I pray for them, they say they're not healed. So you must give us doctor's report. Anybody I'm going to pray for, I'll go to, and I will go and write to Anambra State. Anybody that we're going to pray for must have diagnosed. At least you must have been in the hospital for 1 month. Not for, if you enter the hospital this week, we won't pray for you. If you enter the hospital on July, we will not pray for you. We will pray for people that enter hospital June, May. Those who have been in the hospital for a very long time, is people who are going to pray for. So, because for next month now, they'll go and put in their own people. They can spend any million to prove that you want to have warrior. So, but this number that called me, threatening, State CID will call you. So, Abakonoso. As you think you are wise, we are wiser than you. As you think you're ready, we're ever ready. Okay? If I can fight kingdoms, conquer Okite, conquer so many things. You come and use another person's name. Why I'm putting this thing, Ushema, for God bless you. I know you cannot do this thing. These are people that spawn your name. So the number is there. So if I come to the office, I'll present the number. So you must make sure Agunation will have to look for this guy and bring him and put it to book. Because he's a criminal. He's a fraudster. On your phone is way. Ushema cannot call me on phone and begin to threaten. Ushema will welcome me. I'm an indigenous of Anambra State. I have I invested millions in Anambra State. I lost millions in Anambra State. He decreased. Not on a phone, he threatened me. When I was in Anambra State 2015, you know how much I spent in Oka? Go to opposite HO2, Abakaliki Street. My mountain is there. I spent over 30 million there. They let us start dragging the land. I leave it for them. You think I'm able to be that dragging land? I invested in Oka. I will take my government there. You will see it. I spent more than 30 million there. My hard-earned money. I first time God sent me to Anambra State 2015. 2020, I lost the land because of Mary came down. Demons came, search, allowing people to die. They will give me $1 billion. I said, no. They said they're going to destroy my ministry. After that, they start dragging the line. I lost the place. I know. God said, you forget about it. So you think I'm just one of those prophetic, I'm threatening on this one? No. I am not all those your prophets who for Anambra State. I am spiritual warlord. Anambra liberation prophet, demon destroyer. I see the prophet David to Kadiba. Know that this day, keep the date. We're not afraid. Fear not. We're coming. Matthias Ezeaku, if you're the people that are pushing the narrative, if you're the people that claim all those things, what they be wise, they push narrative, they don't matter. If they call your name, you come and prove it. You come and prove how if they become Ushemafo. Using fake number to call, claiming to be a personnel, governor, people that work in the state government, when you know you're not. Okay, a lifetime imprisonment. Yes, because he can do kidnapper. He will not number, but number. Don't worry, we know what it is. We know the crime that he committed. By using fake number to call and threatening people, you going for it. Yes, no. 3 days ago, I lost my page. Prophet David was a Zion of Truth. That page is gone. We're trying to, I've spent money to try to cover it, still no way. I have to create another page. I don't have an enemy, I don't have an enemy, I don't have any friend. But I say so if you have repented from your blackmail, you're my brother. So here to welcome everybody, and I'll like everybody, all the brothers to be at the event. I will be there. Nothing will stop me not to be there. Yes, nothing will stop me not. Accept Soludo, give us another date. You know, governor does not have chance. So this one, I may pick the date. You know, so I didn't call for the challenge. I've never been to Anambra State. I will go to Anambra State now to collect the date, and the hospital. He was one going to choose the hospital. Any that day, if I come, they will carry me to the hospital, 7 different hospitals. They will pray for them. After praying for them, before that 1 week, see people that got healed and see people that got not healed. Okay, at least. Almost I know now your kidney problem, 50 million, 30 million. I will pray for those people, at least some will heal. We go save that money, at least. Governor go use and do some load for Anambra State. Use and help the poor. So instead of going for the surgery in America, Canada, in India, in China, I've come. Prophet David Yahweh, the man who will pray like Jesus Christ of our own time. Jesus Bonyubo. Share the telegraph. This or that they will arrest me. Some man not afraid of arrest. Not be to you who go prove them. I will hear here and finish. Governor go do the right thing. Yes. And all those native doctors will learn a new thing. Mathias, he will learn a new thing. Yeah, in a bed chat now, you know, say he will learn a new thing. Shanabo that pastor also. He go learn a new thing. Mathias Ezeaku. He go learn a new thing in Anambra State. Anambra liberations. This thing. He got butter your doctor. Or be a go. Don't know your spiritual sickness. He get prove here. Because many people have died in your NGO. Many people have died in your NGO, Mathias. Because I know you people are pushing this narrative. God let it hit. How many people have died in your family that is a cripple? None. How many people that died in your family that is a brand? None. Before I went to one cripple, and we go millions of people who have died. So we're thinking of saving those ones that die. They are more important than talking about one cripple out of 1 million. We're talking about people that die by witchcraft. Then poison. Now in a hospital. Millions of them. You're talking about any police. No, us is kind of. How many people can go police in a hospital? How many people can go in a hospital? Show me. If your hospital is a warrior, can't go on your go Mathias. If your hospital is a warrior, can't go on your police. This is how you see people money. They will say that useless hospital you went to do. People now telling you send you all the equipment. Why not use your 4-day house to do it? You go lend to one room 200,000. Come they talk nonsense. And I call that my baron channel film. Shakwala wagonos. Mama de Biawa to Calibre. I want to pray my son. You go to Anambra State. And I have also wedding. But from the late. So now, threatening is nothing. I had to go the date already. Welcome. We have been coming now. We have been doing the miracle. We did free program in Anambra State. Which is just Salome is there. I'm like, oh, Uko sent you there. A lot of artists came. Free program. We spent million in people's call without recovering $1. In our common sense. I'll go ahead that day. Hey, I know he's sick. I know he'll pray for people. People no get liberation. He's already sick now. So leave all these ones. Know your strategy.
Onye sị na ya na-agwọ ọrịa bịa ya kpọga ya ụlọ ọgwụ ka ọ bụrụ nke a onye mee arrange kpọta ndị mmadụ bụrụ klọch and klọch ọfụ ọbara ọ ga-asị ya na onye mkụrụ ngwọ na ọ gaba gị ije ọtụpụ klọch gbawa ọsọ onye agbadoro ọsọ ọ sịrị na ya mere onye polisi ọfụ ụzọ emere onye nke nwa na ome nke a mee nke a mee bịanụ ka anyị kpọgaghị ka ị na-eme anyị chọrọ ndị a ịma na ị na-eme ya eziokwu bịa ọ nwere nke n'ime asị mụrụ m ụmụ nwunye ndị mmadụ niile kpọrọ nwunye gị jee ebe a kpọrọ nwa gị nwaanyị jee ebe a kpọrọ na-eme dadi anabụrụ dadi eme dadi mba ọ bụrụ na Anambrazi a ga-azachagide fa onye ndị na-eme miracle agba mba onye sị na ya na-eme miracle ọ bụrụ na ị na-agwọ ya anyị chọrọ gị bịanụ ịbịa anyị kpọgaghị enwere m ụlọ ọgwụ erika ndị mmadụ ju n'ụlọ ọgwụ ị ga help anyị kpọta esibefa nche onye ibiela aka ọ dịkwa mma ndị dọkịta na-anụ onye a bụ medical doctor fama ya fe jezube ike na fama na-arụzi ọrụ aka aja na-eme gịnị aka aja na-eme gịnị that is it.